Hello everybody. I'm going to talk about pest control in food hygiene. Pest control in food hygiene also is very important. We're looking at pest control also. Food pest control is contamination, right? Contamination of food with hair or drops or urines or dead bodies, right? Also, these are sources of poison bacteria, right? Like common food waste are rodents, rats, and insects. All these things contains bacteria like the rats or their toilets, like cockroach also. Then why should we have pest control? Why should we should control pests? Why? Because we have to prevent what? Spreading of disease like food poison. Rats can cause that one, cockroach, all these things can spread, can contaminate food. Like food contamination, right? Like the chopping urine or dead body of this pest, right? Then food wastage or loss. Then also damage like cutting electrical cables. So like some of these rats, or they can cut electrical cables or pipes, customer complaints, then also find and close of business also, right? In some countries, if they find out that your pet, there is lots of pests in your building or rats or what, they end up to close that building when they come to do inspection. So we're talking about pest control measures, right? We're talking about environmental control. We're looking at about environmental control, proving of the building. You have to prove that the building is good when you want to do any business like food or food. They will check the building. Then the door, right? They have to check the doors and the windows are kept closed. You understand? Then also the doors waste protection with handle or plastic, right? Or cutting. They have to check the food deliveries, that the food that they are delivering, right? Is it safe the way they are doing their delivery? Then good housekeeping practice, right? So good housekeeping practice also is a measure. Then keep food cover or in a storage container, how you can keep your food. So these are environmental control. Now we're talking about physical control. Physical control like the UV flyer killer, right? So this UV flyer killer can also kill insects, right? So these measures that I'm explaining is how we can prevent pests like those rats or those cockroach. So you're looking at the physical aspects like trap. You have to put trap to catch those rats so they will not come to your food or your raw material, your raw food, so it can become contaminated. So we're talking about chemical control also. In chemical control, you can also use parasites to put in various places to kill this bacteria, to kill these rats or other things, for them not to contaminate your food. Then only by an approved control company. So like they have some chemical they use, you have to make sure that these are from approved company. Then I'm going to highlight about cleaning and disinfectants in food hygiene, right? Cleaning, you have to remove of all residual or dirty or grease used in detergents, right? You have to clean all your equipment that you are using to clean your food or to cut your food. You have to clean them. Also disinfectant, you have to reduce microorganisms to the safe level using the disinfectant, right? Like you have to use hot water in all of your equipment that you are using for cook or other areas. You have to disinfect them. They have to sterilize. How we can sterilize them? You have to clean them and also disinfectants using sterilizer of your equipment. So in order way for the bacteria to die. Then we're talking about the benefits of cleaning, right? What are the benefits of cleaning your equipment, your food hygiene? You clean your equipment that you're using to cut your food or cook your food, your pots. First of all, you have to remove the material, on which the bacteria can grow, right? You have to reduce the risk of food poisoning, That is the benefit. You will reduce the food poisoning. Then also to remove food for pests, right? Then also to promote a favorable image to your customer or your families or your friends. It can create good image. That is benefits of cleaning. Also to allow to allow municipality laws, right? Let's say like they have a government law to allow them so that they can able to check, and also it help you because maybe they have to find or they have to close your business, but with cleaning also it can help you for your business to also continue. Then we're talking about the components of cleaning schedule. So how you can components of cleaning schedule, what to clean, right? You should know what to clean in your house or in your business place. Then who is responsible to clean your kitchen or other places or your office. Then when and how they should clean, and how to clean, which type, the method they are going to use. Then which chemical are they going to clean your building, your business place, which chemical. Then also the contact time, which time are they going to clean. You should put all those mechanisms in place. Then also the safety precaution, like when they are cleaning your place, which safety precaution they are using, right? Then also check and record every month. If this day they clean, you have to have a checklist, right? So I'm going to talk about the 6 steps of cleaning. What are the 6 stages of cleaning? One, you have pre-cleaning, right? So pre-cleaning is like a scrap off all those loose and dirty, right? That is pre-cleaning. You remove all the dirty. Then you have number 2, which is called main cleaning. That is losing the dirty by the detergent, right? Using this detergent, Then number 3 is rinsing. Rinsing simply means like remove all the dirty when you wash them with water. So that is number 3. Then we're talking about disinfectants. That is number 4. Disinfectant is by destroying this microorganism that's using chemical to disinfectant your knives or other cooking utensils. Then you're talking about number 5 is removal of this disinfectant, that the chemical used to disinfect. You have to wash it also. You understand how you can remove it. Then you have to how you can dry it. Point number 6 is how you can dry it. You have to dry them in the hair, So these are all for cleaning and disinfectants and pest control. Very important.